Kasper, the birdies don't want to play with you. No, they don't. They don't want to play with you. No. Now to deal with this table. I'm gonna try and do some eggs on here and maybe some more with the bacon because he's taking too long. Why are eggs so hard to flip? Seriously. I just want to flip these godforsaken eggs. Now I'm angry. What is the freaking problem here, spatula? Get yourself together. Thank you. Hey, do you want to come down? It's gonna get cold.
I got the dinner pieces in the wrong team. Good guy team and bad guy team.
Okay.
So that's the bad guy team, and Dad and Felix are the bad guy team, and you and me are the good guy team.
No way.
We are.
Nice. I'm really happy to be on your team. I love being on your team.
I knew you would.
You knew you would? You knew I would?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, Loesch.
Where do I put my face?
I don't know. On the table.
So
Okay, just don't walk over in front of the stove because I dripped a bunch of bacon grease.
yeah. That was an accident.
That was the mess, yeah.
It's kind of like a secret attack,
Kind of a
right?
secret attack, yeah.
Secret attack!
It's probably fine because I scrubbed the bejeebus out of it with dish soap. But just to be on the safe side.
Well, it is grease on the floor, so we have acrobatic children. Oh, that looks like a good light.
Blueberry.
You don't have to have the blueberry. Pick a different one.
Okay. Peach.
Then grab it. You may have it. Are you really excited for breakfast, Mr. Felix? You are? Alright. Augie Bean is sleeping. By some miracle.
Can I have it right now?
Yeah.
Yay, I get to have it. Some in the big ultra ball. The big ultra ball.
Some. Just some. Yep.
And then what?
What's the last word?
I don't know what that is.
Sound it out. Just like you sounded out the other words.
Chips.
You got it.
Chips.
He said, can you get me some chips? Yeah, those are chips. Hey, monkey. Hey, monkey.
Tricky.
Mm-hmm. You goof. All these dishes again. Before we have dinner, that I have a chance to get the silicone matter with the placemat thing. Are you done playing Monster?
No.
Okay, you have, look at that clock there, or better yet, how many more minutes do you think? Should we do 10 more minutes? 10, we'll do 10 even, okay? Alexa, can you set a timer for 10 minutes and call it Kasper's Done Monsters?
Kasper's Done Monsters timer. 10 minutes. Starting now.
So when Alexa beeps, you close it, you turn it off, okay? You're not missing anything. I'm coming, honey. It's okay. It's okay. All right. The bean needs me. I gotta
So what you're gonna do
Yeah.
is open the red
Yeah.
and to the cups on either end, do a squirt of red. Do like a squirt, like a squeeze. Good. Do a squeeze into this one.
Here, wipe it up with that.
Mm-hmm. Be copacetic for a minute.
You want to come watch from this side?
Oh boy. It's volatile. Yeah.
Wipe. Dun 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 dun. Uh-oh. Just need to be more white.
Okay, not too fast, not too fast.
You don't want to knock everything over.
No, that
Right.
would be bad. What are you doing? Can I do the next one, Dad?
Hello.
Yeah, I'll scoop it and you can mix it in.
Yay. Why'd you get the same color of spoon?
This is the color of the spoon, doesn't matter. Okay, mix.
It's yellow.
Keep mixing. You gotta make sure it's all off the spoon,
Why?
so it's nice and strong. Felix, you like chocolate chips? You a man after my own heart? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
What's gonna happen with the empty glasses?
No color.
Okay.
Well, they currently don't have color in them, that's right. So what's your hypothesis? What do you think will happen?
I think that that's not going to put any in.
Okay.
And then there's going to be no color on that paper towel.
Okay, cool. So your method is that you have these glasses, right?
Yeah.
You have these glasses, and some of them have colors. And then you're going to add the paper towel strips to connect the glasses. And your hypothesis is that the paper towels will get colored and the empty glasses will stay empty. All right, so now we have to do the experiment to see if our hypothesis is correct.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do.
It's happening.
We're gonna put it in like this.
Yeah.
So one end goes into an empty glass and one end goes into a full glass. So put it in these guys. Yeah, good. Sink it down to the bottom. Sink it down to the bottom. Just sink it down to the bottom.
There we go.
And I'll do this one.
I'm so excited. I'll do this one.
Okay, from here to here.
Oh.
All right, you've got one more, Spurs.
One more way.
Okay.
Yellow to empty in the middle.
Oh, it got on my hand.
That's okay.
That's okay. Now
Wonderful.
we watch and we wait. Science.
And now it's starting to turn purple. But there's not even red in the bottom.
Yeah, the red's
That's
slacking.
Yeah, the
weird.
red's slow.
That's weird.
Wonder why the red is so slow.
Maybe it's because it's a bigger bottle.
Maybe. I don't know.
But the blue and the red is already started and there's no red in
I
there.
know, it's
Well,
crazy.
give it some time.
Like, that's so
Give it
weird.
some time.
The red on this end, you can see it starting to kind of come up and over.
Yeah,
So maybe once it makes it past the
I think
the mountain.
because I think the first part's the hardest part because it's working against gravity.
And then it'll go into there and then up into here.
Possibly.
Maybe
And
we'll
then
see what it does.
into there and then into there and then into there and then into here. So it'll make a whole new color munches.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't even know what color munches means.
I don't know what that means either, but it sounds really interesting.
we're gonna find out, lads and ladies.
Hi. Look at my big hat.
You're a goof.
Did that. Because none of them. Oh!
That you say?
Yeah.
Mom, want to hear this sound?
Oh yeah. Kasper, come over to this side. You can see it dripping. Look at the red one on that end. See how the red is dripping now into the yellow?
Yeah. That's way too much. That's because of our sound wave.
Sound wave.
Hey, Dad, can you see it turning orange?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if that means that one's gonna start turning purple soon.
Mm-hmm.
Probably.
And look, the blue is invading the yellow.
I know.
What's the blue invading the yellow?
There, hopefully that helps a little bit.
Each better 'cause- So which one do you want?
Oh, I just zhuzhed it in a little bit more, yeah.
I'm just judging it.
Okay, that's good. You don't want it to come all the way out of the water though,
Yeah,
right?
'cause this one has like way more than it needs.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, at least that much.
I think that's good.
probably perfect. That's probably a bad idea.
I think it's fine. I think you're doing great.
Kasper, you're doing science.
I know everything about science.
Do you?
Nobody knows everything about science.
Well, I'm the only one that does.
Do you know who Albert Einstein is?
Yeah?
Who's Albert Einstein?
What? I do know a little bit about him.
Well, what do you know about him?
Well, I know he does lots of science.
Does he or did he?
He does.
He died a long time ago. But he was a crazy smart mathematician.
There's more red in there than yellow. That whole cup soon's gonna be red.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's very colorful.
I know. Watch this, Mom.
Watching. There you go.
We always want to go to the splash pad because I love it. And I love it too much that I always want to go to it.
Yeah?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, don't scare your tiny brother.
We like to move it.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Are we at the splash pad? Yeah? Kasper's having lots of fun. Felix, not so much. Yeah, and you and I are hanging out in the shade. Because you don't get sunblock yet. Right? Because you don't get sunblock yet. Hi. I have no idea where Kasper and Daddy went. Yeah. So our setup, we got our nice little sunshade. Hey? Yeah? Hello. Wonder where my Kasper is. I don't know. I don't know.
What you saying, buddy? What's your big brother up to? Let's see. Oh, that's him. That's him right there, officer. Pressing that button.